Hey everyone! Ayan, sa Uber ako dyan kasi bus strike. So, heading to Arndale. Ayan, na-meet mo si Ate Glad and pumunta lang kami kasi for dyan. And then, nakita namin yung Pop Mart. Oh, cute ng Space Mall. Yeah, talaga as in. Before going to Chinatown. And yes, completed na kami. So, andyan na si Angela in Chinatown, in Washoe. So, we've had our orders. Syempre, my favorite, yaki udon with shrimp. And there's a conveyor belt ng mga sushi, different types. So, it depends yan. May different color ng plate yan. And yes, nung sa karaoke night na kami, gaya lang din ng last year yan. Singing out loud, whatever, and shot of the night. Yes, so, medyo nakarami na rin. Ayan lang, ang sarap din ng food and drinks dyan actually. And all night sing along. At dahil annual gala lang naman natin yan. So, nag-extend lang kami ng extend ng hours. And this is our last shot. Oh, ang sarap na itong pink starburst. Love this one. Ayan, cheers to us. And thank you so much guys. I really had fun today. That